So I'm about to try this K-Seal for my head gasket repair. K-Seal. Apparently you shake it for 30 seconds, put it in, and it fixes all your problems. We got a miss on engine cylinder 3, 5, and 7. So that would say a head gasket. We'll try it out, see if the mechanic in a bottle works. I've shaken it for 30 seconds, well over 30 seconds. This is an 02 Dodge, 198,000 K. It's been losing some antifreeze through the cylinders via out the tailpipe. It's running rough, needless to say. We believe it's a head gasket leak. That's what the computer said. And hopefully K-Seal is going to do what we need it to do. Well, let's start it up and have a listen, and the next clip will be 15 minutes later. Definitely doesn't sound good at this point. You can see the steam out the tailpipe. Seems to be idling a lot better. It's been about 6 minutes. You can see very faint amounts of antifreeze in the exhaust now. Back with the K-Seal product that I used for my head gasket leak, and we're about to see, it's been 15 minutes, we're at full operating temperature now. You can visually see that there's no steam, as there was 15 minutes ago, a cloud of white smoke. Sounding a lot better. We'll just check our gauges. There's our gauges. We're at operating temperature.